So here we are again in our Shopify admin, and as you can see, we have our t-shirt product here available. But if I come back to my Shopify admin, we have 3 active products here. We have the beanie, we have the jeans, and we have the t-shirt, but only one of the 3 is showing on our catalog. So what's going on here? Well, there are a couple of things that could be going on here, but by far one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of beginners make is they got to keep track of their market settings and their market catalogs up here, okay? So as you can see, this is our online store and our product view. And as we can see, we are viewing the site in US dollars. If you click this, you'll see all of the markets that you're selling to and all the different areas that you are servicing right now. And each of these markets has a very specific catalog. So for example, if we switch our catalog and what we're looking at, our website version to Canadian, for example, we can see our beanie pops up. So 2 of the 3 are popping up. So what is the difference in the beanie product here? So that is only showing on the Canadian market and it's not showing on the United States market. If we come back down here, see, we can see it's gone. So if we go and take a look here, back into our Shopify admin, and we move our tool over here, we can see a couple of different configurations, and this is now called catalogs. If we jump into our product page here, Shopify constantly changes, as we know all the time, as we cover Shopify deeply on this channel. There was an update recently that changed the way the publishing settings work. Previously, this publishing area on the page, I think, was a lot better because here are your sales channels. So of course, number 1 is you have to make sure that your product is active, your product is on the online store, that's your website, and your sales channels that you want. But previously, you could adjust the markets in this box here. If we click this, it's not that clear. So if we come over to markets here, we have a couple of different markets set up for this example store. So as you can see, there's the Canadian market, the European Union market, then there's the United States market, okay? If you look under markets here, there's something called catalogs. And then when you create your market, you're asked to select or create a brand new catalog. So what's happening on our store and why this beanie product is only showing in a Canadian market and not the USD market is because the beanie is not in the catalog for the US market. Let me show you what I mean. So if we come over to our markets and our catalogs, this is a very tricky, sometimes finicky little setup that you might miss. If you're missing products, you can definitely look into this. We can see we have one catalog. Now, by default, every product that you add to your store is included by default in the default catalog. And it's only the case that if you make a market and you make a specific market, I don't know why this is taking so long to load. If you make a specific market, that's when you can start to get missing products. So if this loaded. So if we take a look here for our United States market, we can see 2 products. And if we click into the United States catalog, is what they want us to call it, we can see our 2 products. We can see a t-shirt and we can see jeans, okay? And if we go to our United States catalog, we actually only see 1 market. So just a quick fix here. If we come over to our jean product, just to make sure that it's published to the online store, we can come over to publishing settings here. We can add it to our online store. We can click publish all. We can hit done. We can hit save. And now because the product is active here, it's published to our online store here, and it's in a specific region catalog. As we can see, now it's here. If we refresh our online store here and we view it in the USD market, our jeans will pop up. Okay. That was because the publishing settings for that product was not the online store, but we still are missing our beanie. Okay. So if we come back to our markets, or not our marketing settings, our market settings right down here, and we come over to catalog, we can go United States. You can, if you'd like, add all new products by toggling the switch on. And then when you add a new product, it will be added to this market specifically, but you would only create a market if you have something unique about that market. Remember what I said, all products by default are included in the default market, the default catalog, okay? So to add our missing beanie to our United States product, our United States catalog, we can come back here to our beanie, we can come back here to our publishing settings, and now because we have made a secondary market, we have this region, we have this catalog area over here, okay? It says 1 because the only catalog that we made so far is the United States market. So if we toggle this on here, this is specifically for our beanie, we are adding it to the United States market, okay? So now we can click done, and we can hit save. And now the product will show in the United States market because the product is active here. It's in the US market and it's published to the online store. Okay. There's a few other things sometimes that can go wrong in terms of inventory and location and shipping settings. You can check out my channel for some of those details. But now if we come back to our products page and we give this a refresh, we can now see all 3 of our products are now showing for the US market. And in fact, this would be the same. If we go to the Canadian market, it'll show the exact same thing because by default, all the products that you add are added to the default market by default. And our Canadian market is just taking the default catalog. Now, if you made a mistake and you need to edit a lot of different products, you can, of course, come over here to the bulk editor, just select all the products that you need and select bulk edit. And then if we come up here and we select columns, it's already there. But if you don't see it, once you create a region catalog, you can enable it or disable it here. This will show you the column in the bulk editor. And then if you need to enable or disable a bunch of different publishing settings, you can simply come to the bulk editor and you can click and drag to enable, to disable. So if I click United States and I click and drag for all of them, it will enable all of them. If I turn this off and I click and drag for all of them, it'll disable them for the ones that I highlight just like that. Then you can click save, okay? So if you're missing a product or something's not showing correctly, just make sure you go through that checklist, your catalogs, your publishing settings, your draft products, and that will usually fix the grand majority of beginner mistakes. If you're brand new to Shopify, check out our beginners program down below. And if you're looking for more brand awareness for your Shopify brand, check out our Patreon, support the channel. If you hit subscribe, I'll see you in the next video.